Hi everyone, welcome to my new video, and today going to show you how to set up APN on our Android device on the latest new 5G APN settings 2023 but work for all networks. Quick step to setting up our smartphone APN for mobile data access. Let's get started. Go to the settings app on our Android device. Click on SIM card and mobile network. Select our SIM card. Click on access point name. Click on the add or plus button to add a new APN. Enter APN settings, tap the name field name. Guys, capital letter and small letter very important. Follow the step by steps. Name Cellcom space 5G, Cellcom C capital letter space 5G G capital letter, tap OK. APN Cellcom.5G.net small letter not space, tap OK. Proxy not set, port not set, username username 5G network @speed 5G G capital letter network N capital letter @speed S capital letter not space, tap OK. Password not set, scroll down. Server server www.cellcom.5g.net small letter not space, tap OK. MMSC not set, MMS proxy not set, MMS port not set, scroll down. MCC not set, MNC not set, authentication type. Fourth option, PAP or CHAP select. APN type. APN type default, SUPL small letter not space, tap OK. Scroll down. APN protocol. Third option, IPA4/IPv6 select. APN roaming protocol. Third option, IPA4/IPv6 select. BRR unspecified tick, tap OK. Tap the more icon, tap save. Cellcom 5G new APN save, select a Cellcom 5G new APN. Click the return home button. Save the setting and restart our phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, subscribe to share it with our family and friend.